Welcome to this KeyHelp tutorial on email spam filtering. This tutorial applies to systems from Debian 12 and Ubuntu 24. We start in KeyHelp as a user with an existing mailbox. Under Email Addresses, first click on Edit for the relevant email account. The settings for spam filtering can be found under Advanced Settings. By default, incoming emails are checked for spam and viruses. It is also possible to use custom spam evaluation scores. You will then find the settings to set your own spam score, meaning the limit above which emails are classified as spam. You can also enable spam to be tagged directly in the subject line and set a spam score above which spam is immediately rejected and never reaches your mailbox. We will now make the next settings in the webmailer. To do this, log into Roundcube. For each email, you can have a look at the message headers. Here you will find technical details about the message, including xspam for messages detected as spam. This is followed by a yes. Now we just need to set up a filter to ensure that these spam emails are moved to the spam folder. To do this, go to Settings, Filters. Click on Create and give the filter a name, for example, Move Spam Mails to Spam folder. Click on the three dots to enter xspam in this free field and specify that it should contain yes. We then decide what should happen in such a case, namely, move message to spam. It is important to make these settings in the webmailer, as it stores the filtering rules on the server itself. These rules will then apply to all mail clients and devices you use to check your mails. By default, the spam filter is trained to improve spam filtering. To do this, the administrator should tick this box in KeyHelp under Configuration Email Server. If there are still inaccuracies with the spam filter at the beginning, it is important to manually move emails that are not marked as spam, but are spam, to the spam folder in the webmailer yourself. In this way, the spam filter will become more accurate and learn to recognize spam better. It is also important to check the spam folder regularly at the beginning to see if regular mail has been misclassified. Especially if you have set KeyHelp to automatically delete emails in the spam folder after a certain period of time under Email Addresses, Edit, Advanced Settings. However, if your spam filter works accurately and reliably later on, this is a very useful feature as a spam folder is emptied regularly and space is created for newly marked spam emails. Thanks to the filter created in the webmailer and the training of the spam filter, spam will gradually be sorted into the spam folder more accurately and reliably. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial.